We take one example. 3 urns have the following composition of balls. Urn 1 contains 1 white, 2 black. Urn 2 contains 2 white, 1 black. Urn 3 contains 2 white, 2 black. One of the urns is selected random and a ball is drawn. It turns out to be white. Find the probability that it comes from urn 3. I told you this is the reverse of the probability. We have to find the ball came from urn 3. The probability we have to find from white ball from urn 3. Students, how to solve this one? By taking the help of Bayes' theorem. Let us take 3 urns. First urn 1. Urn 1 contains how many? White balls and black balls. 1 white, 2 black. Urn 2 contains 2 white, 1 black. Urn 3 contains 2 white, 2 black. Urn 3. Let A1, A2, A3 be the events of selecting urn 1, urn 2, urn 3 respectively. Let A1, A2, A3 be the selection of the urns, be the events of selecting urn 1, urn 2, urn 3 respectively. Students, what is the probability of selecting bag 1? There are 3 bags, 3 urns are there, urn 1, urn 2, urn 3. Have to select 1, that is 1 by 3. The same probability for bag 2, same for bag 3. So, the selection of urn 1 is 1 by 3, urn 2 is 1 by 3, urn 3 is 1 by 3. Now, I am taking another event E. Let E be the event of drawing a white ball from the selected urn. E be the event of drawing a white ball. From the selected urn. We can easily say that E be the event of drawing a white ball means I can draw white ball from first bag, second or third. Now, drawing a white ball from the first urn, that is given by P of E by A1 is equal to, how many white balls are there? There is only 1 white ball. Total balls are 3. So the probability is 1 by 3. So probability of drawing a white ball from the first urn is 1 by 3. Now I want to take probability of white ball from second one. Second, it contains 2 white balls, 1 black. Total is 3. But I require 1 white ball. This can be done in probability of drawing white ball from second bag is equal to 2 by 3. And I want the white ball from third bag. Third bag contains 2 white, 2 black. So we require 1 white ball means probability of E by A3 is equal to 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So students, we got the event of drawing a white ball from the selected bag means it may come from bag 1 or bag 2 or bag 3. We took the first probabilities. But your requirement is from the data you want white ball from the third one. That means from the Bayes theorem, the third one will write probability of A3 by A I want a white ball, sorry, A3 by E. I want a white ball from third on, this is A3 by. So by using Bayes theorem, getting a white ball from third bag means probability of earn 3 in that probability of E by A3. Taking a white ball by total sample space. Here the white ball may come from first bag or second bag or third bag. That can be written as P of A1 into P of E by A1 plus P of A2 into P of E by A2 plus P of A3 into P of E by A3. Now put all the values. What is probability of A3? That is 1 by 3 into probability of E by A3. Just now we calculated 1 by 2 by probability of A1. Probability of A1 is how much? 1 by 3. Probability of drawing a white ball from this P of E by A1 is 1 by 3. P of A2 is 1 by 3. Getting this ball is 2 by 3. P of A3 is 1 by 3. Getting E from that is how much? 1 by 2. Now, if you simplify this, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 6. And finally it turns to the value 3 by 9, which is nothing but 1 by 3. So, once again I am reading the question. 3 boxes are given, on 1, on 2, on 3. On 1 contains 1 white, 2 black. On 2 contains 2 white, 1 black. On 3 contains 2 white, 2 black. A bag is randomly selected. One ball is drawn. It is found to be white. What is the probability of the white ball came from on 3? On 3 I want, from on 3 I want a white ball. Do you want a white ball from on 3? Probability of getting on 3, and in that on 3 you want a white ball. By the white ball may come from on 1 or on 2 or on 3. On 1 getting probability of on bag and getting a white ball. This one. Or means addition. Probability of on 2 and getting a white ball. Probability of getting on 3 and getting a white ball. Put all the values. We got finally the answer is 1 by 3. So